Changdong Kole Jue Jabo Da Chendong Gewa Sangbo Sanget Kala Kandwe Tela Tedumba Tsumba Chire Sigla Chatse Lo. So this is a homage to the Avalokiteshvara Buddha. So Avalokiteshvara Buddha is a compassionate Buddha. We consider that His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama is the manifestations of the compassion Buddha. So when we talk about compassions, there are two types of compassion. One is the unconditional compassion and another one is the conditional compassions. So conditional compassion, it means that there is a love and compassion between the mother and children. So that kind of compassion is very powerful. It is not only to the human being. Even if you look at the animal kingdoms, some mother animals, they are sacrificing their own life for their baby animals. So that kind of love and compassion is very powerful, but it is a biological factor. It is mixed with the attachments. So therefore we call it it's a conditional love. So today why I'm discussing about the love and compassion between mother and children, because today is the 11th May. It is the happy Mother's Day. So when we were born, after the birth, we were not able to sit, we were not able to stand, we were not able to crawl. So at that time we need a huge attention, we need a huge mother's care. If we do not receive a good care and if we do not receive a mother's attention and care, then we would not able to survive. So one time His Holiness the Dalai Lama, he visited to the Oxford University. He was having a discussion with the scientist, and at that time His Holiness the Dalai Lama asked a question to the scientist. His Holiness Dalai Lama said that there are certain types of animals like a butterfly and turtles. So their mother, they leave the egg and they never come back to see their offsprings. So when the offsprings grown up, are they able to recognize their parents, or are they able to show the sense of appreciations, or like are they able to express the sense of care and compassion with others? So this is very interesting, isn't that? So scientists, they also did some kind of experiment. They also tested to the behaviors of the monkey. Scientists, they have kept a baby monkey with the mothers, and they also separated one baby monkey from their mother. Then they have observed and they have noticed that a baby monkey who lives with the mothers, that kind of monkey is more playful, more happier and more compassionate. Then another baby monkey who separated from their mothers. So this kind of baby monkey, they are more aggressive, they are more quarrels, and they are more unhappier. So one time His Holiness the Dalai Lama was giving a public teaching. I was there. His Holiness the Dalai Lama said that he visited to the Poland. That was his first visit to the Poland. There was one fellow, His Holiness the Dalai Lama visited to the one orphanage, and that fellow, he described to His Holiness the Dalai Lama that these children are unwanted children. So can you imagine? This is very terrible. So therefore, if we look at our early period of life, if we do not receive a good care, if we do not receive the mother's attention and care, if we were not able to live under the compassionate environments, then there is a risk, or there is a likely that we are going to be more unhappier, and we are going to be more aggressive, and we are going to be more cruel to others. So therefore, we have to appreciate whatever the love and compassion that we have received from our mothers. So therefore, today is a happy Mother's Day. I would like to request all of you to spend a time with your mother and appreciate whatever you have received, a good care and good attention from your mother. That's all. Thank you.